What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to purchase Spotify Premium on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Spotify is one of the most popular streaming services in the world, with over 70 million songs, podcasts and playlists to enjoy. Its premium tier, known as Spotify Premium, offers users with many perks such as no ads, offline mode, high-quality audio, unlimited skips, and access to exclusive content. However, you cannot upgrade to Spotify Premium from the Spotify app on your iPhone. This is because Spotify has removed the option to pay for Premium through the App Store to avoid paying Apple a 30% commission fee. To upgrade to Spotify Premium on your iPhone, open up your browser and navigate to spotify.com. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Tap on the burger icon at the upper right corner of your screen and select Premium. On the Premium page, scroll down until you start seeing different plans for Spotify Premium. Select the one you wish to get and tap on Get Started. You will land on the page containing detailed pricing information for your selected package. Choose the one that suits you the best and proceed with it. Lastly, enter your card details and tap on Buy Now once done. The free version of Spotify will roll over to the premium tier, giving you access to many new perks and features. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.